Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this is long overdue, but I promise to be consistent this time. So this time I'm just going to do my nighttime routine. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing makeup tutorials and everything else. So first, as you can see, I'm washing my hands. I always wash my hands before I wash my face. That is a must. So then I'm just going to wet my face, and once I wet it, I'm going to wash it with my Tatcha Deep Cleanser face wash. I love this face wash. I just think it gets my skin nice and clean, and I like the little exfoliating little things that it has in it, and I love Japanese skincare. So I'm just going to lather that on up, going in upward circular motions to promote blood flow in my skin and in my face to make sure everything's getting in there good. I'm just going to rinse it off. I always do a pre-wash and then a second wash. So I'm just going to go in again and do my second wash and just keep lathering that up, going in upward circular motions. So next thing I'm going to do is just dry my face off with a wet towel. And I like to do it with a wet towel just to promote like exfoliation, get all the dead skin cells off, because my skin likes to build up dead skin cells. So then I just make sure my skin is dry before I put on my favorite mask ever by Fresh. It's called the Vitamin Nectar Mask, and I love this mask so much. It keeps my skin glowing and soft, and it like immediately works. If you're anything like me, I always like to see immediate results, and this mask gives me just that. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face with a clean brush. And while I'm waiting for my mask, I keep my mask on for about 20 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to run a bath. And I always like to put Dr. Teal's Bath and Body Oil into my bath because it keeps my skin soft without lotion. Because I don't really like to put on a whole lot of lotion before I go to bed because it makes me sweat and stuff like that. So then I'm going to put in my Dr. Teal's foaming bath with Epsom salt. I think it just helps my muscles relax, and light a candle, just relax while my mask is soaking in and everything. So now you can see I'm wiping my mask off with the same wet towel. I make sure it has really warm water on it. I know it looks like I'm doing my skin real tough, but I'm not. I don't want to over exfoliate my skin because I will get burn marks on my skin and it'll be really red and irritated. But I'm just making sure that all that mask is off. And now I'm drying my skin before I put on my toner. So I'm going to use my dark spot toner by O. Henreskin. I don't know how to really pronounce it, but it's Glow 2O. I love this toner. I can feel it tingling, and once I feel it tingling, I feel like it's working. But I'm also going to use my Fresh Rose Water toner. I love this toner. It has like little rose pieces in it. So I'm just going to rub both of those onto my skin with a cotton pad. Make sure those are drying before I put on my moisturizer. So I'm going to moisturize with this Pond's Dark Spot Correcting Cream just to keep my hyperpigmentation at bay. Make sure that is nicely soaked in. So next I'm going to take my Dr. Teal's Sleep Lotion with melatonin. I love this lotion. It keeps me sleeping throughout the night. I have trouble sleeping throughout the night sometimes, and it's a very lightweight lotion. So like I said, I don't like heavy lotions on my skin when I go to sleep. This lotion is super light. So once I do that, I'm just going to take my hair down, put on my scarf, put on my bonnet, make sure my hair doesn't go anywhere when I'm sleeping, or my bonnet. And I always like to put on A and D ointment on my lips before I go to sleep. keep them moisturized. Sometimes when I put on Vaseline at night, I wake up and my lips be dry, but A&D ointment makes sure that when I wake up, my lips are still moisturized. So before I really get into bed, I'm just going to find something to watch to fall asleep to. I really like watching funny shows, so I'm going to watch Family Guy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video will definitely be a makeup tutorial or something like that. Let me know what you guys want to see from me. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, see you in my next video.